Tapos? Oo. And then, where did you go yesterday?
Hi.
Hi ka, hi.
Where will you go today? Where will you go? To Tita Doc? You'll go to Tita Doc? Yes. Injection yun. Injection. You don't like? Point. You don't like injection? You have to. You have to be injected, anak. Why? After that, we'll go to SM. Yes, we'll buy your diaper. Uh-huh. Why?
Ayaw injection?
Galit, galit. Why? Pa?
You want milk? Mommy, get me milk. Sabi mo.
Mama? Mama? Mommy? Daddy? Masya, kita-kitang milk. Bye-bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Say bye.
Bye ka na.
Bye, camera.
Bye.
Bye.
Asya,